Hi, today we're going to talk about how to order your awesome book. Okay, here we are on the Ingram Spark website, www.ingramspark.com. What you want to do is look over here to the right-hand side and click on Login. Find your account and password and log in. Thanks for the note. Okay, what we want to do is go over here to the left-hand side and click on Orders. Now, I have a number of books that are listed here. You may only have one, that's okay. Click on the one you want and check it over here on Select. Now, you want to go over here and click on Add Items to Order. And you'll get a new screen that pops up. What you want to do is check the Return to address, that's my address. Check the Ship to address, that's the correct address. Print location. Generally, you want to have it in US dollars. And if you have a promotion code, you can enter that here. There's a couple options that you have. You can choose how quickly you want your order to be printed. It says right here, economy service, prints in 5 to 7 days. 5 days. Express service, prints in 2 days. And rush service, prints in 1 day. Okay, that's just the printing part of it. You also have to add in the amount of days it would take to have your order delivered. There's different shipping options: basic, residential ground, residential second day, and residential next day. If you want to know more about these shipping options, click on the shipping methods link, and here we go. It has different shipping options. So let's say I absolutely want to have it delivered the next day after the shipment date. So I want to do residential overnight. So I'm gonna go back to my screen here. Oops. Okay, go back to the screen here, and I'm gonna select residential next day. Now, look at that, that's a little pricey, right? So sometimes you need to have your books right away, and we're gonna pretend that it is a drop dead rush. So we're going to select rush service, so it usually prints in 1 day, and residential next day. So let's factor in 1 day here and then next day here. So it would take about 2 to 3 days. Down here, you can choose how many you want to order. Let's say we want to order 50 books. When I hit enter the number in and then hit the return key, and then I come over here and click on update order. See this button right here? Click on update order, and now it will show you what the cost will be. There we go. All right, and this puppy's going to be expensive because we got 50 books. The selling price is right here. It's $3.47 for this particular book. To order 50 of them would be $173.50. Now, a lot of people will ask me about what this means over here. See, we ordering 50 says carton quantity 204. Don't worry about that. What that is telling us is how many of your book would fit into one carton. That can be kind of helpful because say you're having a big book sale and you're going to order, let's say in this case, 500 books of this one. I know that I will end up with 2 cartons that will be coming. So, and it's okay, you don't have to order to the carton quantity. They'll still order the amount that you choose, and the order quantity could be 1. Over here, we're going to look down and see this is our total, $282.13. See, that shipping is kind of expensive because that's that residential next day shipping. So say you were like, holy Nikes, I don't need to have it that fast. I'm going to change it to residential second day. So you can come up here and let's say, you know, it's really not a drop dead rush as far as having it printed either. You can come up and click on the buttons, and let's change it to economy service, and let's change it to residential second day. And then come down here and you click on update order, and it's going to reprice your order. $180, that's much better. But realize now that it will print in 5 business days with this option, and then add to that a second day. So it would take about 7 days to receive. So once you're ready, you see your amount of 50. and each one is costing $2.67. And our shipping cost is $38. Once you're ready, hit submit order. And if you have a promotion code, you would have entered it on the previous page. Here is giving you your information. You don't need to order and put in a purchase order number. You can use that for tracking if that's helpful to you. One thing that can be super helpful is to enter in your email address. So that way, when you place your order, it will send you notifications about tracking. Now, there's one option that's economy, and that will not allow you to track your packages, but it will give you a little blurb and let you know. All right, so say you've entered in your email address. You can either save this for later, in which case you can go back and place your order, or you can do proceed to payment. And you have the choice to either pay with a new card or pay with a card you have on file. And let's see. I have a card on file here, so I can select that. And then if I was ready, I would go ahead and click on submit. I don't want to order 50 copies of that book right now. This is just for demonstration, but if I was doing it for reals, it would go there. Now, say you have submitted an order and you want to check on it. Look over here to the left-hand side under orders. You can look under pending orders and see I have some that I've placed. These are orders that have not yet been submitted. Remember where we had the place where we could go back and submit them later? This is handy if you want to set up your order, but you're not quite ready. And then you can also click here on submitted and look at orders that you have placed. That's kind of handy. I'm going to click on this one, and it shows me books that are ordered, and up here it has the same information that we had on the order. And then here under packages, it has a place where you can click on the carrier tracking. And woohoo, this book is on its way to through USPS and should be delivered very soon. So that is how you go through and order your books. All right, thanks so much.